Hello, I'm EWA. Welcome to my channel. With EWA, learning English is fun and easy. And today we will learn
the present continuous tense. Am, is, are, plus verb, plus ing.
Present continuous. Study this situation. It's midnight. Everybody is sleeping. Am, is, are, plus verb, plus ing is present continuous. To make a sentence in present continuous, use the pattern doer plus am, is, or, are, plus verb, plus ing. To make a negative form, use not. To make a question, use am, is, or, are in front of the doer. When the doer is I, use am. I am working now. I am not working now. Am I working now? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. For he, she, and it, uses he, she, it is working now. He is not working now. Is he working now? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. For you, we and they, use are. We, you, they are working now. We are not working now. Are we working now? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Spelling rules. Usually we just add ing to the verb. For example, walk, walking. If a verb ends in e, drop the e. Dance, dancing. Exceptions are verbs ending in ee. See, seeing. If a verb ends in consonant plus vowel plus consonant, double the final consonant. Refer, referring. Run, running. If a verb ends in l, double it. Travel, traveling. I, e, drop I, e, and add y plus ing. Lie, lying. Present continuous is used. For activities taking place right now, at the moment of speaking. He is reading a story right now. With always to express annoyance or criticism. You are always taking my things. For temporary activities. I am eating only fruit and vegetables now while I am on a diet. For changing and developing situations. My English is getting better and better. For fixed future arrangements. He is flying to Paris in an hour. Non-continuous verbs. Some verbs are rarely used in the continuous tenses. These verbs express a permanent state rather than an action. Be, have, possess. See, hear, feel, smell, taste, love. Like, dislike, hate, hope, regret, want, wish, need, prefer, think, know, imagine, remember, understand, agree, believe, belong, depend on, deserve, recognize, seem, look. I am hungry. I want a hamburger. Not. I am wanting a hamburger. Practice. Exercise 1. Choose the correct option. It is often sunny here, but today it is raining. Be quiet. The children are sleeping. Excuse me, but I don't understand you. John is looking for a new job these days. We are leaving next Friday. Exercise 2. Look at the pictures and put the verbs in brackets into the present simple or present continuous. It is very cold today. It is snowing. Bob is at home. He is watching TV. Bob's wife is cooking dinner. Their dog is playing with a ball. Bob's parents are coming today. They visit him every Sunday. They usually go on foot, but today they are taking a taxi. Exercise 3. Complete the sentences. I've lost my keys again. Oh no, not again. You are always losing your keys. How's your English? Not bad. I think it is improving slowly. What does your sister do? She is an architect, but she is not working at the moment. What are you doing? I am calling Jessica. The water is boiling. Can you turn it off? Are you hungry? Do you want something to eat? No, thanks. I'm okay.
With EWA, learning English is fun and easy. Try it out for free. And don't forget to subscribe.